What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard's language here within your iPhone device. For example, here I am in my message app, and as you can see in here, I do have an Arabic keyboard in here. So I'm going to show you how to change this and, for example, turn it into English or any other language. Now please note that this is not only for a messages application, it's also going to reflect on WhatsApp and any other social media or texting app that you've got in here on your phone. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now without any further ado, jumping straight in here into the settings, it's quite easy. All you want to do is just press and hold this little globe in here if you have it available, right? This is the very first way. Press and hold it, and then you want to simply hover it into a different language if you see it here. If you're unable to see your custom language in here, I'm also going to show you how to set it up in here. For example, I'm going to go all the way to English, and then I'm going to release my finger, and you'll see that the keyboard will change to one of my preferred languages in here, which is showing up within this list. Now, if you're unable to see your preferred language, all you want to do is press and hold in here and go all the way to keyboard settings, leave your finger, and you'll be brought to this settings page in here where you can set up custom languages. Now you might be also in a situation where you don't even have this little globe in here. If you don't have it, do not worry. I'm going to show you how to get to that same exact settings page related to your keyboard. So you want to go back, and then you want to hop into settings real quick. You want to scroll down all the way to general in here, and then you want to scroll down all the way to keyboard. You do have keyboard under fonts here within this category or stack of settings. You want to tap on keyboard once, and next up you want to tap here on keyboards. Now over here you can add custom languages as well as delete or remove a few languages that you do not wish to show up in that specific globe under your keyboard settings. So for example, in my case, I'm going to delete this Chinese keyboard. I'm going to delete Arabic as well. I'll be going with English and Portuguese as well as English in here, and of course the default emoji keyboard as well, which is also a keyboard built in here on iPhone devices. So once this is done, I'm going to close this. I'm going to reopen Messages app, and then in here, as you can see, if I press and hold the globe, I only have English emoji as well as English and Portuguese bilingual. So this is how you can actually change your keyboard language within your iPhone, so you can have your customized and preferred language on your iPhone. Now we do have another setting in case you want to change your entire iPhone language as well. All you want to do is hop into settings, scroll down all the way to general, and then you want to scroll down all the way to language and region. Tap here on language and region, and over here you'll be able to see a lot of settings. You want to tap here on add language to add your custom language, whether it's Spanish. For example, in my case, I'm going to tap on Spanish. Okay, I'm going to tap on use Spanish, and my phone will actually add Spanish to the list of the preferred languages, and Spanish as well will be the language being used right now. As you can see, I do have now, it's in Spanish. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it sounds like reunión, tratamiento, or something like that. Información, modo avión. It's now in Spanish. So this is how you can change languages in here within your entire iPhone if that's the case as well. Now, if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any doubt or questions so we can interact further. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.